Itim, aso. Dumaan ka lang sa isa just for the sake. Pero hindi talaga taos. Pero kung talagang taos, ibabalik mo yun. Sabihin sa iyo ni Jesus, tatanungin ka, Cora, do you love me more than this? Do you love me more than your Christ is? Cora, do you love me more than the Christ is? Yes. Do you love me more than your fellow secretaries? Do you love me? Tatanungin ka ni Jesus. Pagsasabihin mo sa kanya, yes, Lord, you know that I love you. Sasabihin sa iyo, change your ways. Meron bibigin sa iyo, and you must be ready to change. Meron salvation. Meron ang taksa. Sabi sa Salmo, I will sing of your salvation, Lord. Sinave ni Lord si Simon Peter. Sinave niya. You can only be saved if you acknowledge your mistake. At talagang magsisisiyan mo ng taos puso. At pag tinanong ka ni Jesus, do you love me? And you say yes, then I ask you, tend my sheep, feed my lambs. So you do that also. In your own way, you show love for those entrusted to you. And what is entrusted to us? The church. Inintrust sa iyo ang parokya. Inintrust sa iyo ang opisina. Alagaan. That's your way of showing that you love Jesus. And you are willing to suffer sometimes misunderstanding, rejection. It's part of loving. And that is what saves. Hindi ka tulad kay Judas. What happened to Judas? We will know much later during the Easter days. Judas will hang himself. Nag-suicide siya. Nagsisi pa siya? Hindi. Kundi, naano siya sa kanyang sarili. Nag-disappoint siya sa kanyang sarili. Too proud to say, Lord, I'm sorry. At yun yung nag-condemn sa atin to death. The Lord does not condemn us to death. He always gives us a chance. Pero you have to take the chance. If you don't take the chance and you choose to do it my way, di ba? And now the end is near. I did it my way. No. Do it the Lord's way. Ask for forgiveness. Be sincere. Let the Lord open a way for you. Don't be like Judas, who decided to end it his way. Kaya walang salvation po. Ang salvation, binibigay yun sa ating Lord. So, as we end this recollection with this Mass, I want you to reflect about two choices when we sin. The way of Peter or the way of Judas. The way of humility, the way of pride. The way of sincere repentance or the way of self-pity. You choose. Pag pinili mo yung the way of Peter, that is the way to salvation. If you pinili mo yung way ni Judas, you want to do it your way, that is condemnation. Wala, hindi ka masisito. You try to escape, but there's no escape. choose salvation. Do not choose escape. Sa Diyos, wala tayong escape. Sa Diyos, meron tayong kalikasan. At doon tayo umasa. In the silence of our hearts, let's speak to the Lord now and make our personal prayer and request. Sabihin mo sa Kanya, sa Panginoon, ang iyong kaibigan at kaibigan. And Lord, all this we ask in your name.